Hello everyone. In this tutorial on PMN Online, we will learn how to build AI agents with Grok for free. In today's digital era, AI agents are becoming increasingly essential, offering dynamic ways to engage with technology. However, building these agents often seems daunting, especially when considering the costs involved. The good news is, with Grok, you can create your own AI agents for free. This tutorial will guide you through the process step by step, using Grok alongside Replit, a browser-based coding environment, to bring your AI agent to life without any financial burden. Let's dive right in. We'll start by utilizing Grok, a tool designed to generate functional code from simple, clear prompts. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google. In the search bar, type Grok and proceed to click on the official Grok website link. Once you're on the Grok website, you'll be ready to begin the exciting journey of drafting your AI agent's web application. In the message box on Grok's platform, you'll need to provide a detailed prompt. An effective prompt might be something like, act as a senior full-stack web developer. Create a complete HTML file, including HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, all in one file for a simple AI agent web app. This detailed framing instructs Grok to compile everything into a single, self-contained file. By doing this, you eliminate the hassle of managing multiple assets, simplifying the entire process. Once you've entered your prompt, go ahead and click the Submit button. Grok will take a moment to process your request and generate the code. When the output is ready, scroll down to find the code block and copy everything. If Grok happens to split the code into separate sections, don't worry. Just ask it to consolidate the CSS and JavaScript inline, making it easier to run your app seamlessly across different platforms. Clear prompts and single file outputs are key to avoiding setup issues down the line. Next, it's time to jump over to Replit. Open a new tab and navigate to the Replit website. Replit is a fantastic tool that allows you to create and execute projects directly in your browser. Once there, create a new project and open the editor. Here, you'll want to paste the code you copied from Grok into the main file of your project. Now, in Replit's AI or command input, type a brief instruction like, build this app. This will prompt Replit to configure everything necessary and initiate the project for you. Hit Submit and watch as Replit processes the code, installs any required packages, and launches a preview for you to interact with. Once the preview is up and running, your AI agent interface should be visible, ready for you to engage with. Try typing a message in the interface to see how the agent responds. If something doesn't look quite right, you can always return to the editor to make small adjustments. Alternatively, head back to Grok with a refined prompt to generate cleaner code, then paste the updated version back into Replit. Here are a few tips to ensure a smooth experience. Rename your project to keep things organized, and use the preview URL to share your creation with others. Keep an eye on the console for any errors. Common issues might include missing script tags or network calls being blocked. You can fix these in the editor and click Run again to update the project. For this starter app, keeping everything in a single file works perfectly fine. And there you have it. You've successfully used Grok to create a complete, single-file AI agent app, copied the output, and let Replit build and run it, allowing you to start interacting with your agent immediately. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to build AI agents with Grok for free. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe PMN Online so you never miss an update.